Okay, good day to all science students. In this video lesson, under solution, solubility, and concentrations, we are going to tackle the components of a solution. We have the activity, solute, and solvent. So before we proceed to the activity and lesson, we are going to we have to measure first your previous knowledge about measurement. So write down the measurement of each of the following substances or material. For number 1, okay, 8.9 ml. Number 2, 90° Fahrenheit. Number 3, 17 ml. 4, 2.8 inches. And number 5, 120 grams. Okay, use the terms in the vocabulary box below to fill in the blanks. Each term should be used once only. Then write a sentence to show your understanding. So ito yung vocabulary words. We have solute, we have solution, soluble, insoluble, and solvent. So number 1, a blank is a substance that dissolves into a solvent. Ano kayang sagot? Tingnan natin sa sentence. So, a solute is a substance that dissolves into a solvent. Number 2, blank is a liquid in which a solute dissolves into. So, ano kayang sagot? So, a solvent is a liquid in which a solute dissolves into. Number 3, a blank is a mixture of solute dissolved in a solvent. So, the answer, a solution is a mixture of a solute dissolved in a solvent. So number 4, sugar is blank in water. The answer should be, sugar is soluble in water. Number 5, sand is blank in water. So, sand is insoluble in water. O sana naintindihan natin yung pagkakaiba dito sa vocabulary words na to. Dito pa lang maintindihan na natin what's the difference between solute and solvent. But as we go further, mas maiintindihan pa natin what is the difference. Ito, alam na natin itong kantang ito. Lalo na yung mga nung elementary days. Ano po? Once upon a time, in a faraway land, a sugar family lived in a small house in the forest. When it was summertime, the 3 children were happy for they could play outside. But during rainy seasons, they were all sad and just stared at the window and sing, "Rain, rain, go away, rain, rain, go away." Come again another day, all the children want to play. 3 times. Why do you think children are afraid to go out of their house during rainy days? So from the name of their family, they are sugar family, meaning anong mangyayari sa kanila pag naulanan? Maybe they will be dissolved in water. So what will happen to the children if they go out of the house while raining? Why? So they are soluble in water. Ang sugar po kasi is soluble in water. So let us now proceed to the activity of the students. Components of solution. Perform an experiment to determine the differences between solute and solvent. So kanina ibinigay lang natin yung definition ng pagkakaiba ng solute and solvent. Here we are going to make an actual experiment to differentiate solute from solvent. So you need 1 teaspoon salt, beaker, and water. For instructions, you are going to carry out an investigation to know the differences between solute and solvent and found out their role in a solution. So for procedure, we need 20 ml of water. Pero dito sa experiment po na ginawa natin is, ito matagal ng experiment po ito dun sa old curriculum pa about properties of solution. Pero ito na yung ginamit nating video. Tingnan po natin. Ayan. 1 spoon of salt nilagay po sa, that is 100 ml ang ginamit natin na tubig, 150. So medyo marami-rami. And pinaghalo natin. So, anong mapapansin po natin? Ayan, nawala na yung asin. So, 1 appearance. So, meaning, this is a solution. Combination of salt and water or salt-water solution. So, dyan po sa experiment na yun, try natin salain yung solution kung masasala ba yung asin. Kasi isa po sa property ng solution, it cannot be separated. Solution cannot be separated by filtration. So, meaning, hindi kayang salain yung asin. Ayan, for tasks or questions, what is formed when salt is added to water? Of course, salt water solution is formed. In a salt solution, which is the solute? Okay, the solute is the salt. Bakit siyang solute? It dissolves in water. Kung alin ang natunaw, yun ang solute. In a salt solution, which is the solvent? Why? Okay, water is the solvent because it dissolves the salt. Yung pinantunaw, yun ang solvent. At ang water nga po pala, water is considered as universal solvent. Another one, what component of the solution exists in greater amount? So, ang greater amount po dyan is yung solvent or yung tubig. At yung lesser amount, smaller amount is the solute or yung salt. Meaning, isa po sa katangian ng sa pagkakaiba ng solute and solvent, maliban sa yung solute ang tinunaw, solvent ang pantunaw, ang solvent po mas marami siya compared sa solute. So smaller amount yung solute, ang greater amount is the solvent. So discuss the differences between solute and solvent. Ayun, a solute is a substance that dissolved into a solvent and it exists in a smaller amount. A solvent is a liquid in which a solute dissolves into and it exists in greater amount. So identify the solute and solvent for each of the following solutions. Jane mixed some water and powdered juice to make a fruit drink. Alin dyan ang solute? O alin mo na ang solvent? Okay, the solvent is the water and then the solute is the powdered juice. Okay, Maki swished salt water in his mouth after he lost his tooth in a basketball game. So which is the solvent? Again, water. The solute is the salt. Okay, Jace put a rubbing alcohol on the grass stain that was on his sack. So alin ang solvent? Okay, so alcohol. Ang solute dyan is the stain. Kylie added a little sugar to his tea because it tasted bitter. Ayan, solute ang sugar and tea is the solvent. Okay, the tea from Irish tea bag colored the water as it brewed. Which is the solvent? Of course, water na naman. Alin ang solute? Okay, the tea. Using this diagram, again, we are going to differentiate the components of solution. Okay, dalawang components. We have the solute and then the solvent. O ano ang characteristics ng solute? So, a solute is a substance that dissolves into a solvent and it exists in a smaller amount. And a solvent is a liquid in which a solute dissolves into and it exists in greater amount. So, sample ng solute, we have sugar, salt, powdered juice. Solvent, water, vinegar, alcohol. May nagtanong po niyan dati, paano kung pinaghalo mo ay vinegar and water, which is the solvent and which is the solute? So, kung alin yung mas marami, ang amount, ang percentage composition, yun ang solvent. So, kung kagaya ng alcohol, 75%, mas marami ang alcohol dun. So, the water is the solute in that case. Kung alin yung mas marami, yun yung solvent. So, for formative assessment, which is an example of a solution? What will be the answer? C, water. The two components of a solution are solute and solvent. Which statement describes the solute? It is the solid form in a solution. It is the liquid component of the solution. It is the component of a solution in a smaller quantity. It is the component of a solution in a bigger quantity. Okay, letter C. Which happens if you mix juice powder with water? The juice powder will dissolve in water. The juice powder will form a layer. The juice powder will not dissolve in water. The juice powder will settle at the bottom of the water. So the answer is letter A. The juice powder will dissolve in water. Okay, number 4. What is the solvent in a cup of milk? Ano dyan? Okay, water. In a solution, what do you call the substance in a larger amount? So that is solvent.